What's up, guys? Welcome to today's home tour. Today's I'm taking you guys to Jubilee. It's one of the hottest neighborhood right here in Hockley, Texas. Guys, everybody is trying to move to Hockley. Hockley has gotten a lot of attention lately. Jubilee is one of the most family-oriented community. I really encourage you guys to look into it if you're looking for your next home or if you're trying to move to the Houston, Texas suburbs. It's only 30 minutes away from downtown Houston, and you have all the major freeways going through here, guys. Today we're checking out this amazing floor plan, 3546 floor plan by Perry Home. Guys, this house right here is turnkey, ready to go, finished up, and Perry Home has had one of the major price cut in this one. It's almost $80,000 price cut. They want to get it off the market. So let me know if you're interested. If you're new to the channel, my name is Solomon. I'm a local real estate agent here in the Houston, Texas area, and I help people relocate, buy the first home, sell. So if you're thinking about relocating to Houston, Texas, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I will be happy to help you, and my team and I will be happy to help you make a smooth move to Houston, Texas. And also, if you're out there and you're thinking about buying your first home, you don't know how the process goes, hit the link below. Let's have a conversation and let me help you, or let me be a resource to you guys. Also, if you do enjoy floor plan videos like this, in this channel, you'll not only find floor plan videos, but you're also going to find educational videos for people that are curious to know about Houston, Texas, how it's like to live, breathe, walk, fly. I mean, everything you need to know about Houston, Texas, I talk about them in this channel. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, with that being said, guys, enjoy the home tour. you so much for sticking all the way to the end. I hope you enjoy this floor plan. Again, my name is Solomon. Let me know if you'd like to have more information about this floor plan. This is the 3586 floor plan, and it's a Perry home. We are here in Jubilee, one of the hottest communities here in Hockley, Texas. So guys, if you're thinking about relocating to Houston, whether it's in 9 days or 90 days, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Let's have a conversation and let me be a resource to you. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. That motivates me to go out there and find you some of the amazing floor plans. Just a little bit about this home. This is a 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, and also holds a 3-car garage. Guys, there was a major price cut in this floor plan. It was about an $80,000 price cut. Now it's listed at $629,900. So if you're interested, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I would love to talk to you about it, and maybe let's tour it together. So I hope you enjoy it. Please take care of you and your family, and I'll see you on the next videos. Cheers.